Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix a Valorant connection error easy and quick. First click here and then type services. Wait, before that you have to make sure go to task manager and make sure that there is no application that is related to Valorant running in your background. Wait, you will find it like that. Wait a few seconds and that's it. Now just scroll down until you find any task that is related to Valorant. Scroll down and that's it. Right client and task and scroll down again until you find something like Vanguard. Right click and end it, and after that go to services, scroll down until you find VGC, and now once you're here, VGC, once you're here, double click on it, you will find it. Stop it. All you have to do is just click start, and then startup type, make it automatic, click apply and OK, and that's it. Now your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.